What'd you do to that light? I'm having a lot of technical difficulties right now. There is an adorable dog rolling around on the floor, knocking all my lights over. It's being pretty good right now. Oh my gosh, bugs. There's also a fly that you may or may not be able to see zipping around this room right now. And it is just part of my normal life to be attacked by flies. This fly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Raquel, and this week I will be filling your little minds and imaginations with some more craft ideas. I am very into Super Sculpting right now. I am excited this week to make another little creation. I've been doing a lot of terrain builds lately, but I just have a fun little idea for a robot that's been kicking around in my head. So I'm gonna start by drafting up a couple different designs and then try to bring this guy to life by making him out of clay. So hang around if you want to see how it turns out and maybe pick up a few tips about making your own polymer clay sculptures. All right, let's get to it. Once I figured out my design, I started making a foil base. Making perfect cubes out of foil is harder than you'd think. I'm actually gonna stop here today now that I've done this boring clay rolling part that I hate so much. So just kind of running out of time for the day, and I'm excited though because I get to jump right into the fun stuff tomorrow. See you then. All right, let's turn this little tinfoil creation into something so much more. I cut out squares of the flat clay to cover the cubes. Using rubbing alcohol is my favorite trick for smoothing clay. So I'm gonna start attaching the limbs and all the little accessories with some Sculpey Bacon Bond. Basically like clay glue, it works really well. I used to just score my pieces of clay, but this Bacon Bond has been really great for making sure things stick a little bit better. And I'm about to start working on the eyes. I'm feeling a little nervous because as you can see in my very detailed schematic, he has big eyes. I think the eyes are gonna be the most important part for making this guy look really cute and come to life. Cute animals, cute beings always have really big eyeballs, so I'm gonna try to push them as big as I can, get them to fit on this little square. I also can't wait to bake these and paint these because this fleshy color kind of creeps me out. After a pep talk from Django, the project really started moving along. so excited to cook this little guy up. And I'm also so nervous about everything staying where it should be. He's so cute. I wish him well. I hope that this baking process goes smoothly for him. I don't know if it's the skin color clay, but he just feels like he's my sweet little baby. As I was kind of afraid of, we had a little accident in the oven. To be honest, I was kind of expecting something to fall off. I used the Bacon Bond, but I also did kind of like a lackluster job with scoring the limbs on. Hindsight, I think he would have been a lot stronger had I used wire armature to create his arms. But everything else feels really solid, so losing a little arm in the oven, it's really not that big a deal. I was most worried about him falling over and potentially like squishing down an edge or something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and super glue his arm back on. I think he'll be good to go after that. I named him Carl. He's so cute. Oh, Carl. I don't know why. Carl just feels like the right name for him, so that's his name, Carl the robot. He's adorable. I was going to paint him, but I just love this sculpt so much. I'm gonna try something new and I'm gonna try to make a resin cast of him. I've never done this before, but I've seen a lot of people do it. And Carl is just so cute. I think he needs a lot of brothers and sisters. Stick around to see some product shots of Carl. I hope you've been enjoying my videos as much as I've been enjoying these projects. It's been such a positive experience for me to make a video and a creation every week and share it with you all. And I hope that you feel inspired to create something as well. I'd love to see you here next week, and so would Carl. Bye-bye.